The final tax report is used to help you complete your actual tax return. The final tax report can be used to display results for an accountant. It can also be used to display results for easy entry into TurboTax or other tax software. If you are using tax software such as TurboTax, please watch the How Do I Use the Final Tax Report with TurboTax video after this video. If you are using an accountant or doing taxes by hand, please watch the How Do I Use the Final Tax Report with My Accountant or Form 2106 video after this video. This video will cover the general layout of the final tax report. Notice the Print This Report option at the top of the final tax report. This is useful if you wish to maintain a hard copy of your entries. The printed version will display in PDF format, which you can download. Next, you can choose how to display your report. The report is displayed differently depending on how you decide to prepare your taxes. Your options are either via a tax preparer or via TurboTax. Below that, you will notice two text boxes that are used for reimbursements. The first reimbursement is for your non-taxable per diem. This number is very important to enter. The typical place to find your non-taxable per diem for the year is your W-2 on Box 12 with the code L. You might also see it in Box 14. If it is not there, it should be on the last paycheck stub of the year for the tax year that you are working on. Non-taxable per diem is the total yearly amount your employer reimbursed you for meals while on trips. The other text box is for other reimbursements. This is often $0 because if you were reimbursed for an expense, you likely didn't include it on your deductions on the Expense Finder page. But if you did include an expense that you were reimbursed for, fully or partially, include the total reimbursements for those expenses here. In Step 2, you will see your data displayed and organized. If you are using TurboTax, it will be sorted so that it can be easily entered into TurboTax using the TurboTax guide. If you are using an accountant, it is sorted so it can be quickly entered onto IRS Form 2106, which is the tax form used for employee expenses. Below this, you will see the per diem calculations displayed so you can see how the per diem calculation was derived. Easy Per Diem calculates the per diem deduction using two methods, and it displays the highest calculation method so you get the biggest deduction possible.